In Vijeo Designer, whether it's version 6.2 or version 6.3, is it possible to have multiple email addresses under one alias, as you can see here? So I have one alias, and I have one email address here, and then I have another one separated by a semicolon, and I have another one there. Is that possible? Yes, it is. That is certainly possible. And we'll demonstrate that just to make sure when we send out the email, it goes to both email addresses at the same time. So let's do that. So I select OK here. I'm just going to have a switch, and on the switch I am going to select email. I'll select the alias that I have here, and then I'm going to put a message in test Vijeo email as a subject, and the message Vijeo Designer sending email to multiple email in one alias. Then I select add, it's there here, and OK. So when I simulate and I press this button, I should be sending two emails, one to Jeff and one to Don. But for now, we'll use Microsoft email server as our test, and this is just local to my PC. And in the configuration, I set up two users here, Don and Jeff. And so in Vijeo Designer, you'll see that there. And then I have a domain. I just call it modicon.com. So it'll be Jeff at modicon.com and Don at modicon.com. Okay. And so if I go back to the email, Jeff at modicon.com and Don at modicon.com, separated by a semicolon. So I have also connected to the email server via the web page. This is Don, the user. As you can see, I have 0 messages. And over here, I have Don, but I'll sign in as Jeff. Okay, so this tab is login as Jeff. I got 0 message here. And this one is Don. I have 0 message there, or emails. All right, so let's send that email. So I'm going to simulate the project. So here's my button. And I should see some activity on the server when I press the button. So let's do that. Just come over here. There we go. Request SMTP connection. All right. So receive 2 recipients. Deliver to 2 recipients. Okay. So should get an email on both. So let's see if I check for mail. Okay, I've got one message here, and if I click on the message, Vijeo Designer sending email to multiple email in one alias. Okay. All right, so testing Vijeo email for the subject, and it's coming from target 1, which is the HMI. So I log in as Jeff there. Let's go to Don. I go to Don, I check mail. Oh, I got one. I should get a this is, what did that say? Okay, so now I'm logged in as Don user, and as you can see, I have one message from target 1. Subject is testing Vijeo email. So yeah, both individuals were sent an email, and alias in Vijeo Designer. As you can see here, both email addresses, one alias, and that was sent to both. And you can send to 3 as well. If you add another semicolon and enter another email address there, it'll actually work fine. Okay, hopefully this video is of help. Thank you. Thanks for watching.